Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you two ways of adding a outline onto your element or maybe your text on Canva application. And the way to do that, it's so simple. The first way, you can just type a text onto the blank page that you are adding before or that you are open before the new project and insert a text onto it. So for me, I just type this text and I would like to change the font onto a bold font like this Anton font. And when you finish, now the way to adding an outline onto this element of a text, you just need to click the text like this and swipe left the toolbars until you found this effect, and then click this effect button. And now there will be a plenty of choice of effect that you can add. So because we will adding an outline, there will be a three choice of outline. The first one is hollow outline. So the inner side of the text has no color. And the second one is splice. So the inner text, it's look like it's a shadow or a gradient from the text. And the third one is the outline effect. And we will use this outline effect. And to adjust the size and the color of it, you just need to click the outline. This one, just click it, and you can increase or decrease the thickness from the outline by swiping this white spot or white point on the thickness bar like this. And for changing the color of it, you can go to the color section and click this color, and you can change the color onto the exact color that you want, just like that. Then go back. And the way to change the color of the font is as same as the regular step. You just need to click the text and click this color button and change the color of it. Just like this. And the second step, the way to create an outline or adding an outline onto an element or maybe a text is by insert the element that you are saved previously. So for example, I am adding this text, this one, and I would like to change the color of the background first so you can able to see the text like this. Okay, the way to adding an outline onto this text is just by clicking this element and then go to the effect, this one, and then go to the shadow effect, and there will be a few choice of shadow, but because we will adding an outline onto the exact object, this object, you just need to click this outline shadow, then click this outline shadow, and then click it again, and there will be a few choice of adjusting the shadow of the outline. The first one is size. It's as same as the previous one. You can increase or decrease the thickness from the outline. And the second one is the color. So you can change the color from the outline. For me, I would like to change it onto this red color. And the third one is intensity. So you can decrease the transparency from the outline by swiping this white spot onto the left or to the right side. Okay, I would like to increase the size of the thickness from the outline like this. And now it's done. And that's different ways to create an outline, but the result is always be the same. And that's the way how to adding an outline on your Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.